Outdoors, my name is Michael, and today we're out on an adventure exploring around Crow's Nest Pass in Alberta, Canada. So today's a glorious day. Thought we'd take a bit of a ride. We just stopped for a bit of a break. I have Lizzie with me over there and Esme, and we're on the KVF 360. And you know what, I thought I'd break up the day a little bit and do some wood carving. So I do have a new carving set. This is the Beavercraft product. This was sent to me for review, so I didn't pay for this with my own money. But let's take a look. So inside the box you'll get brief instruction manual. You get a couple of sticking plasters, which I thought was actually kind of funny. So the knife kit comes in a small leather bound binder, which I think is really nice. It's well put together. It looks great. It's a great way to store your tools. So what you get in the set is a leather strop. You get the sharpening compound that you put onto the strop to sharpen the tools. You get a carving blade, which is your main tool here. It's a crook blade for doing curved surfaces, and a gouge as well. All extremely sharp straight out of the box. If you do need to sharpen them, everything is right here for you to do that. So let's put these to work and see if we can knock something up real quick and see how easy it is. I'm not the best carver, and if you've seen on my videos, I normally carve like a spoon or a fork or whatever. So you know my skill set. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to this, but we'll give it a good go. So I do have a couple of other Beavercraft tools that I have with me. This is the small axe or hatchet for wood carving. Very, very useful for knocking off a lot of material at once. And you also have the spoke shave. So this is very good if you want to thin down a piece or you want to make something round, for instance. Again, great tool. Had these for many years. The axe, not so much. I think I got that this year, perhaps. And I've been very impressed with it so far. But what we're here to look at is the carving tool set. So, I was using a knife earlier, but I'll show you how I sharpen them. So I'm going to rub a green compound. And basically we're just going to strop the knife. Better on a flat surface. I've got my leg. But I find with this type of carving equipment, knives, it's better to do a little often. Don't let the knife get dull. Every 5 minutes or so, just give it a couple of strokes here and I'll be razor sharp again. Yeah, that's nice and sharp already. Okay, I'll just set all that equipment there. See what we got for wood. Okay, one thing I don't have in that set is a saw. So I'm going to cheat and use my Leatherman Surge. So this is going to be our piece. We're going to test out a few things. I do see it's got a natural split there, so I'm actually going to use the axe and just cut that down. Just trying to keep an eye on the dogs, make sure they don't wander away. Esme's under the quad. That'll work. Pretty spoon-like. Edit. So typically I wouldn't use a round piece like this as small. I'd actually take the middle out of a log that's been split. But for this, it'll work. So we've kind of got a rough shape there. I'm not going to go too much with the axe. Let's see how we get on with this. First of all, it's a really nice grip, very comfortable, get lots of power. This wood is a bit knotty. That's chunking off there pretty nicely. Just clean up this end. Could have chosen a better piece of wood if I'm honest. Most of the implements or utensils that I make are one use, so I'll just use them for the night's camping and then I'll burn them anyway. Yeah, it's very comfortable to use. I've got a knot right in the wrong spot. Okay, so I made a bit of a mistake there, but that works fantastically. I'm very happy with that. So the crook knife is sharp on one side and duller on the other. So you'll hold it like this. Be very careful when you pull it towards you. It's best to put on a surface. Again, I've got a knot right in the middle, but you can see how you can chunk out lots of wood. So that works exceptionally well as well. So a tool I haven't used before is this gouge. So let's give that a go. Oh, that works good. Oh, it works beautifully. Anyway, not the best spoon in the world, but you can see I've got this nice dish. I can actually work on that. Kind of split this out, so I kind of ruined it. But you get the idea. With a bit more practice and some skills, this set will be able to carve spoons or bowls or anything you wish very easily. Very impressed with it. I love the handles, one of the most important parts of it. So what do I think of the set? So for the money, I think this is an exceptional set that will last you a lifetime. They're very easy to sharpen with the strop as long as you keep on top of it. The knife is great. It's a general use type of knife. Sometimes you'll get a shorter blade, so you can get a lot more kind of power into things, but this is a good all-round blade. The crook knife works excellent. The gouge is what I'm impressed with the most. And I think for the money they're selling these things for, with the case and everything else, I think it's a really good value. I think it'll last you a lifetime. and it would make an exceptional gift for someone who's into bushcraft or outdoors, and it would give them that opportunity to, you know, carve and be creative as well while they're out bushcrafting. So that's the Beavercraft wood carving set. Let me know in the comments what you think. If this is something you would like to have as a gift, or you might pick one up for yourself. Let me know in the comments. So until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.